Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I am going to be reviewing my first box of the year with Allure Beauty Box. Here is the brochure for the Allure January 2022 box. Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. Wow, from Rare Beauty, okay. And of course in the color black, okay. The price for this is $20 US, and it's supposed to give very beautiful va-va-voom lashes. It leaves lashes fluttery, soft, and plump-free, oh boy. Long-wearing pitchback formula spiked with lash conditioning castor oil. Doesn't dry too quickly, so you can easily go in with a second layer to up the drama, and the thick brush coats every lash with ease. It's by Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty. Is one celebrity beauty brand that our editors actually can't get enough of. So it says to apply 2 coats. And apparently one of their editors actually skips their lash primer that she usually uses to prevent lid smudges on her oily lids. Okay, so this goes on very wet, which tells me that because of it going on very wet, yeah, the added bonus is that, yeah, you can add a second coat without it glopping, but that also means because it takes longer to dry, it could smudge much more easily. Let's see, let's just see what it looks like inside, why not? Here is the packaging. It's very clean, very simple. I like that. There's a symbol there. I guess that's the R for rare. And that's the label underneath. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sorry because of the sunlight. Once I open it though, I don't really want to open this because once I open it, then I have to use it. So this is what it looks like, in case you're wondering what. Something for skincare, and this is the Sunday Riley 5 stars retinoid and niacinamide eye serum. It gives itself 5 stars. Interesting. Why you'll love it. This serum feels light and refreshing on under eyes and treats the delicate area to 2 of skincare's most trusted ingredients. The retinoid is the powerhouse smoother, and niacinamide, a buzzy antioxidant that helps brighten skin and fade redness. I'm always interested in these terms about what is trendy in a particular year, and saying the word buzzy, but doesn't necessarily mean that something has buzz that actually works. But niacinamide has been in products and has been trending now for the last few years. Combined with a retinoid, that'll be interesting to see. But it's always good to see something from a skincare company, and Sunday Riley is no exception. So let's just open this real quick to see. The box, the packaging is really cute, but I always wonder if the product itself is going to be as big as this box. And I feel it, but okay. So we have this big box, and then we have this product. Coming out of this now, this looks like practically a sample size. The box itself is huge compared to this. It looks like it reads 1.5 ml, which is 0.5 fluid ounces. Okay, that 15 ml. Could be 15 ml, 0.5 fluid ounces. But, oh, and it comes like this with a little, who else does this? By Beauty, I believe. So I'm gonna see if I can, well, actually it's supposed to go on the eyes, but I just wanna show you that, oh, it's pretty, it feels pretty thick. I don't smell anything. Yeah, I don't smell, it's kind of, I wanna say it's almost grippy, but just moving it around, there's it's not grippy like sticky. Like it has the expectation that it would be sticky, but it just feels more, there is a bit of a heaviness to it, which I find interesting. But let me see if I can just, okay. So as I apply this, it feels like there's a cooling effect when you first apply it. It feels really nice, and it kind of wakes up my skin. Interesting little thing. Okay, it doesn't close, it just snaps on. So if you expect it to be like a screw top, it isn't. It just goes directly on. Nice. What's the retail price on the Sunday Riley 5 stars retinoid and niacinamide eye serum? $65. So this already paid for the box. $65 for this. But this is their daily hair cream with sandalwood. Ooh, oof. Sandalwood smells so good. But for some people, they have, they just don't like it. Anybody who's sensitive to any kind of aroma, scent, or odor, then probably this may not be for you. Why you'll love it. The silicone-free, thank goodness, leave-in conditioner with hydrating, smoothing ingredients like glycerin and apricot kernel oil helps you air dry or blow dry without frizz or puffiness. But you can also use it on clean, dry hair. One editor who uses on dry hair after air drying says she loves the instant transformation from fuzzy to shiny, like a hair commercial that plays out in her own bathroom. So it says about the instructions to take a dollop through the lengths, to rake a dollop, through the lengths, and when what's left of the on your fingers on the roots to smooth without weighing them down. The retail price for this is $43 US. I think I got something before. Oh, it has I don't know if you can see, but it has a seal. Always appreciate the seals. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, okay, there we go. It feels, I anticipate it to be feeling kind of milky, but there you go. And I'll definitely be using this. I might as well put it in my hair. Sandalwood, huh? It feels almost like a lotion. I don't know if you can see that, but definitely a lotion. To rake it through the hair. Like, in other words, take your hands, your fingers, and go through your hair. It says rake a dollop. What is a dollop? Is that a dollop? I don't know. But I'll put it in between my, on my fingers. And then, as they say, rake it through. Because I need all the moisturizing that I can get. And my hair seems to be really taking to it. Although I should put in my ends. I think you need more in the dollop, especially if you have either a lot of hair or, let's see, rake it through, rake it through, rake it through. Quarterly. And this is their Vino Source SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. There's only one thing you can pretty much count on during winter dry skin. This SOS serum counteracts the cold, wind, and low humidity with hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, squalene, and grape water. Immediately after applying, one editor's skin looks so glowy and feels so bouncy, you think she's getting 8 hours of sleep and as many cups of water every day. So this serum is gentle to use twice a day, layered under moisturizer or on its own under sunscreen in the morning. It's almost as lightweight as an essence and absorbs very quickly. Very nice. It doesn't tell me the retail price on this. I'm assuming it's about $25. This is obviously, this can't be the full size. This is 10 ml or 0.3 fluid ounces. Thirst quenching serum for dehydrated skin. You know I need this. Oh, look, it has a nice little thing to it. I'm gonna see if, oh, okay. That's how it looks. And it's kind of milky. So I'm just gonna apply that real quick like so. It's very light. It has a slight scent. So again, if you're sensitive to any kind of scent, this may not be for you. But yeah, the skin, it absorbs it pretty fast. Pretty darn fast. Some Skin Medica. And this is their Instant Bright Eye Mask. Why you'll love it. These hydrogel patches formulated with moisturizing glycerin and antioxidant golden root extract plump up fine lines around the eyes and bring down puffiness. So you tear open the silver sachet, plop the mask under your eyes, wait 15 to 20 minutes for the deep puffing patches to do their magic. And they say you could also put them in the fridge to have them nice and cool before you apply them. So it's $48 for 6 sets of 2 patches. That's pretty expensive, but I will try. And this is from Solana MD Healthy Base Layer. This rich whipped cream infused with vitamin D melts into skin instead of sitting on top and helps keep it simultaneously soothed and plump. A rare find, it contains some serious hydrating ingredients, coconut oil and hyaluronic acid to make skin radiant. And it says, although it's called a base layer, this moisturizer is hydrating enough to wear alone at night, but always top it with sunscreen in the morning. It wears well over serum if you choose to go that route, and is formulated for use on the face and body. So smooth a little onto your neck and chest too. The retail price for the full size is $54 US. I also noticed that on here it has a blurb about the Rare Impact Fund, Rare Beauty, and that's its owner, Selena Gomez, the actress. The Allure Beauty Box subscription has always been mostly about skin care, and the hair care facet I love. It's not really known for makeup, although occasionally you will receive some makeup, like a lipstick. I did get a mascara, which was nice. So overall, if you are a skincare fanatic or skincare hair care fanatic, I would say definitely check out, especially skincare. I think more skincare than hair care. I would say definitely check out Allure Beauty, because I have some brands here that I've never heard of that I can't wait to try. So I would give it overall, considering one of the products in here was $64. What can I say? You will get to test some of the best and brightest out there as far as skincare. What do you think of Allure Beauty Box? Let me know in the comment section below. Oh boy, I'm just like tumbling over my tongue today. What is going on? Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.